Hi friends, good evening to all. Welcome to Bishnupriya's chemistry blog. Today's topic is determination of pH in water and wastewater. So without delay, let's start. Determination of pH in water and wastewater. First, we have to know what is pH. So pH is a measure of how acidic or basic water is. The range goes from 0 to 14, where 7 is neutral and less than 7 is acidic, whereas pH 7 greater than 7 indicates a base. pH is really a measure of the relative amount of the free hydrogen and the hydroxyl ion in the water. Then come to what is the principle. The principle of pH meter is wholly based on the ion exchange between the sample and the glass electrodes in a solution, which generate electrical voltage. The result of principle of pH meter is based on the hydrogen ion concentration and the relationship between electric voltage and the pH reading. Then come to the determination of pH in water and wastewater. For this, the reference material uses IS 3025 part 11 2000. The revised edition is 2022 and APA 24th edition 4500B. What is his range? Range is 0 to 14 and the method is electrometric method. What are the equipment used for the determination of pH? Is a pH meter, a glass beaker, and a refrigerator. What are the reagent and chemical used? Is standard buffer solution, which is certified reference material, pH 7, pH 4 and pH 9, and distilled water, which is grade 2. Then come to the different types of buffer solution. First is borax buffer, which is a 0.1 molar solution. Its pH value is 9.12 and 25 degrees centigrade. Another one is phosphate buffer. 1:1 potassium dihydrogen phosphate and disodium hydrogen phosphate. And the phthalate buffer, which is nothing but pH 4, and the tartarate buffer, which is pH 3.56, and calcium hydroxide buffer, whose value is 12.45. What are the different types of interference occurs while we determine the pH? If there is any interference, oil and grease occurs during the pH measurement, then wash the electrode thoroughly with distilled water and detergent or 1% hydrochloric acid. Temperature may cause interference, but it can be managed by keeping the sample in normal room temperature. The ideal condition is 25 plus minus 2. What is the procedure? The pH value may change rapidly due to the chemical, physical or biological pressures in the water sample. So it's better to measure pH as soon as possible. If it is not possible to measure the pH immediately, then store the sample in a refrigerator at 2 to 6 degrees Celsius. The electromotive force is measured with pH meter, that is high independence voltmeter calibrated in terms of pH. Upon successful in-house calibration, check up a pH meter, wash the electrode properly with tissue paper. Then come to the sample analysis. Take 100 ml of selected sample in a glass or plastic beaker and dip the electrode into it. Wait sometimes to stable for the pH reading shows on the display and the record the pH value and pH value like pH 6.6 at 25 5.5 or the temperature, or we have to mention the temperature. After getting the observer result, remove the electrode from the sample, wash it properly, then dip the electrode in 4m KCl or pH 4.0. Thank you.